Hello.
Hello, good night, Miss Bev. Miss Beverly.
Good night. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Howard said them a try get you and them can't get you. What happened? You block their number.
That's how?
Howard.
My brother?
Yeah, Howard, you block your number.
No.
Cause Howard sell me the house, you know, and he must say he must try get you so you can know so you can come out, right? And
Which house?
the house, him sell me the house. That's Miss Burrell house, may I get to understand?
Which one of the house there?
Miss Burrell house, so where Miss Burrell?
Eh.
Yeah man, that house him sell me, right?
Which one is it?
So we can yes, right. In Manchester.
That's how you two, miss?
This is Rochelle, this is Miss Rochelle.
From where?
I am from Manchester as well. That's what I'm telling you. So Howard sell me the house. So him say I try get to you. Right? Him not get to you and him give me a number. And see as I call him, me get you. So me not understand.
Sell your family woman and papa house.
Right. Well, me not him say the house was for Miss Burrell, right? And Miss Burrell must be dead left the house. And him sell me the house. Me pay my money and everything, and now me I tell him say tomorrow I want to come at the house, you know.
Lady, let me tell you something. Me no want disrespect you. And me have
Disrespect
the
me?
title for your son.
Disrespect me after I take my money, woman. After I take my money.
Look about your Howard fucking money. Me no get no money. Me no get no money, so fuck off. Me no know about that.
Beverly.
And me have the blood clot title for your son.
Beverly,
So
listen
me
to
know what
me.
you talking about.
Beverly, listen to me. Listen to me, Miss
Look
Beverly.
at me no want hear a mama pussy bumbo clot now.
Beverly, you see me come at the house tomorrow. You see if me come at the house tomorrow and you're there. Remember me tell you, man. You better you listen to me right now, you know.
Look at miss. When you say my brother sell the house, that bumbo clot can't work. That can't work.
Beverly.
So you what making you back your money?
Beverly, but him said the two I wanna sell it. Him said the two I wanna sell it. Right? And you have the title for release it. Him said the two I wanna sell it.
How will you say?
That him tell me so I could call you and him not give me information. I could have your number so you go a cuss bad word after me and all of that. And all my money wanna take.
Look here, miss. Look here. Me in my bed. I look here. Me no want get dirty and do and get thief to you. I don't know what no money I want to
That
buy your
thief,
clothes.
you know, man, yeah, man.
I don't know
I want
what
to that thief, you know, man, yeah, man.
Me a call thief, you know, man.
After I take my money, after you rob up.
Me know about that.
Beverly, you know, say me I tell you to rasta. Beverly, after I rob up my money, I go come. You really have your heart to come cuss me over my money?
Then after me not get no money for no house, miss. Me living at the house and I fix up my house and fix my place. And you come tell me now, say my brother sell you out.
Howard say.
Business with that, with you here.
Howard say, I the two wanna sell the house, right? And he might call you so you can.
I mean, I want nobody ask me nothing. I mean, I have this fucking title for my place.
Then I eat you for release. And give me my title. Give me my title for my place.
Fuck off on the phone and go
Me want my title for my place. I hit my call you for release. Me want my title. I know I come with police, you know.
Which fucking place Howard can sell you? Howard can sell you with? Howard put your bumbo clock and when you deal with me. Oh.
Beverly, listen, just calm down. No, listen to Miss Beverly, just calm down.